Welcome to the Dead Sea, where no one ever drowns. Yep, you heard that right. It's so salty that the water's density keeps you floating like a pro. The Dead Sea's salt concentration is 30%, almost 10 times saltier than regular ocean water. That means it's way too dense for humans to sink. And it's just not about floating. This place is famous for its healing mud packed with minerals. People come from all over the world to relax, unwind, and enjoy the unique benefits of this incredible sea. So, no joining here, just floating, chilling, and letting the salty magic work its wonders.